All right, and now we are doing 2.4.7. Draw a neat sketch of g of x and g inverse of x on the same set of x's, clearly showing the nature of the start and end points that correspond with the data. Show the line about which g of x will reflect g inverse of x. I have taken the liberty to show the line of reflection, which is always the line y equals to x. As I said earlier, it passes every point where x and y are equal, and it's not subject to the domain. All right, now let us draw g of x. I am going to just take the liberty of drawing a small table using the table form because it's a very basic parabola. So I'm going to use the table form using my domain. My domain, if you remember, we did it somewhere 2.4.2. It's from -3 to 0, all included. -3 to 0, all included. So it's -3, -2, -1, 0. Then -3 squared will be 9, 4. -1 is 1, -1 squared, and 0 squared is 0. So we are going to have -3 and 9, then -2 and 4, -1 and 1, 0 and 0. Let me change the color of my pen just so my things are clearer. I hope I do this right. I've always been the worst at drawing, but I'll manage. Then because 3 is included, it's now going to be a closed one, a closed point, and here also it's going to be at 0, it's going to be a closed point as well. And then this is g of x. Now g inverse of x, I'm just going to swap everything here. So meaning, let me just write it again, g inverse of x, which is the root of x. Let me do it. I'm not going to calculate it. I'm just going to take it from g inverse, from g, I mean. So it's going to be 9. Oh, I'm not going to use order. How will I do it? Let me start with 0. I'm going to do 0 and 0, 1 with -1, 4 with -2, 9 with -3. So I'm just swapping x and y. That's it. So 0 and 0. And then 1 and -1. 4 and -2. Okay, 9 and -3. Also closed points. This is g inverse of x. Apologies for that. This is g inverse of x. Yeah, that's it. I hope it looks pretty. All right, and you can see it's a mirror image of the other one. All right, in the next video, we are going to go back to the ones we skipped, which are 2.4.4 and 2.4.5. Awesome.